Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you what the best performing image or video for your ad should be. And this doesn't matter if it's for Facebook or Google. If you're doing Facebook, it doesn't even matter if it's a top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, video views. It doesn't matter. It's always going to perform the best. And I'm going to share with you what it is. So if you can't tell already, I'm in this Canva setting right now, and the answer is testimonials. So any type of testimonial, they always outperform any other ads that you do. For the longest time, I was doing for Facebook, I was doing like this middle of funnel thing where it's you start with like the top of funnel where it's all about the product and what the whatever the offer that you're doing. Those are great too, but you also need to have the proof. You have to have they care about this because they know what the product is for the most part. Like it's nothing new. They're already searching for it. They want to know that you are the best provider for them. So every time that you have any type of testimonial, it can be a video, it can be an image, those are the best ones. So in Canva, you can do this very, very simply. And I'm going to share with you this quick one. This did really well. Whoa, let me turn this off. What am I doing? So it's very simple, very. Let me get out of here. Okay, you get the idea. Very, very simple, simple, straightforward, and but it does really well. It's like, it's okay. It's good. This is yeah. So you can just go to Canva, look at templates, put in client testimonial. If there's even a drop down, it will show like client testimonial video, all these things. You choose one of these, and this because this is obviously a template. I didn't do it, but it's just performs so well. So that's what I want to share with you. I've been doing ads for a really long time, and every single time, these always do extremely well. But also with your ads, when you do the ads, you're going to do for Facebook anyway, you're going to at least do the ad sets of like a minimum of 3 images, 3 ads. So make sure to just do, one or two of different testimonials, but also do have one of the actual offer, and tell exactly what, how amazing the offer is and this irresistible offer. But you do need these as well. It's a nice balance because your audience is going to see all 3 of these ads. So you want to make sure that they're going to see all of this. So they're going to see the offer, but they're also going to see this. So they want to see this. And once they do see this, they're going to read it. I mean, they are serious. They want to know that you perform results. So always, always, always have a client testimonial. It's so simple. If you're using Canva, please do use Canva. If you're going to do ads, it's so much easier. I have Adobe software. I know all that stuff, but this is just so much faster and much beautiful. I don't have to do anything from scratch anymore. So highly recommend it. That's my 2 cents. And I will see you guys in the next video. If I don't, oh, here's another one. Yeah, do this as well. You can do these. It's so simple. I'm going to share with you just how to copy and paste so simple. You take these from your Google ads, from your Google reviews. You just take one template, you add a page or duplicate, and then you just copy and paste the Google review, put it here, and then so on and so forth. Just and simple, done. And the next thing you know, you can put it in a carousel ad or create it as a video. It's either one. You can share it as, here you go. You can put it into the download as a if you want to do carousel ads, you can send them all individually as JPEGs or PNGs, or if you want to do a video, you can do it here too, GIFs as well. So there you go. I hope that was helpful, and please do use the testimonial. It'll just save you so much time. You'll get so many conversions. So just do it. It's so great. Okay, thanks guys.